Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to beat level 34 in IQdungeon. So to do this, first we need to open a book and see the recipe. So first we need red and yellow to make orange, and then orange and blue to make green. So let's do this. Red and yellow. We close the vial, then we lift our phone and shake it a bit, like this. Then we need to open vial again and take the orange potion to the other vials. And now check again, orange and blue. So like this. We close the vial. Now we lift our phone again, shake it a bit. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.